Hey guys, Real Deal with Akins. Hope you're having a great day. We got Ford, we got Ram. Which one are you leaning towards? I know most of you that watch our channel lean this way, but we don't do enough of this way. So here we have a comparison video, but more specific on the Ram. We just built this Covert right here, but just here's a great example to show you today on Ram 1500 Covert versus F150 Covert. Let's go. All right, y'all, billet silver. I love this color. This is a Bighorn 2021 Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi V8. Needs some exhaust on it. Would sound amazing. We've got Covert edition across the board. Both have a 2-inch level kit. We're going to talk about the Ram first, then talk a comparison between the two. So essentially, both are chrome trucks. Both are chrome appearance package trucks. You got the nice iconic grille. No more catfish cross grille on the Rams. They're still making that body style. So we do have some on the lot still, but this new gen to me is that sweet spot for the Ram truck, taking that next level. So chrome package up front, the new grille really makes the Ram pop and come to the forefront of a more modern truck. So I really like what they've done inside and out on this generation. You got park sensors up front, lots of features on the Bighorn, just like lots of features on the XLT on the Ford side. So both have a 2-inch level kit. The hockey puck style spacer, what we chose to use on both of these, both by ReadyLift, the 2-inch spacer style. You have some differences in the suspension setup out back. You got the coil spring in the rear on the Ram, but essentially the front end is very similar. So let's show them a good look, Jake, at the level kit. So you got the spacer that goes on top of your assembly there, 2 inches, levels it up nice and true, and we are leveled on 34s. Both have the factory wheel, that nice good looking chrome PVD wheel, 295/60/20. It's a 33.9, but we call it leveled on 34. We're gonna round up today, y'all. The Toyo AT3, a great all-terrain tire, has a more aggressive sidewall pattern now, and just a great tire as far as longevity, minimal road noise, and great confidence while off-roading. So the AT3 has been a great tire for us. This one also has the e-torque system, so they've done a great job with their engine technology as far as efficiency and still getting that close to 400 horsepower. So you gotta love that. Now coming on down, most of the Ram trucks, y'all, do not come with step bars, so we opt to do a step bar. This is the Weston R5. This step bar, y'all, looks more like a factory step bar, in my opinion. So you have more that have the tubular bent in style to it. This is more of a flat type bar, a rectangular type bar, a big, nice, wide step pad, so you got confidence on entry and exit. And on the inside, as I mentioned, it has cloth interior. They have gray cloth with black side pieces. Keep that in mind when I show you the Ford here soon. A nice 8-inch touchscreen. The 8.4-inch system from Ram has been a great one. Leather wrapped steering wheel, nice information in your center cluster there. Power pedals, power headlights, lots of convenience features. Heated seats as well, heated steering wheel. So on the Bighorn package, you get a lot of value just like you do on our 302A XLTs on the Ford side. So very comparable between the two trucks here. So we had the next generation WeatherTech floor mat as well. It's kind of dirty. My feet were dirty, I apologize, but take a look. That's the next generation WeatherTech floor mat there. It just seems to be not as vinyl-like. It's not as slick as the prior model WeatherTech floor mat, so it has a better feel to me. It has a more factory all-weather floor mat feel to it with the nice covering more surface area, which I really do like. So there's billet silver, there's granite crystal. This is the lighter, more like the iconic silver. Showing the iconic silver right here on this Ford. So that's a comparable color from Ford. You got iconic silver there, and you got billet silver here. So a very similar color combo. I like the lighter shade in the silver. The granite crystal is more like the charcoal gray, the carbonized gray, which we reviewed yesterday. If you didn't see that video, check it out. We got wheel well liners in the rear. You get the dual exhaust on the Ram truck. So you get dual exhaust from the factory out back. Has a clean, nice look. They even incorporate it into the rear bumper, which just looks great. And hopefully these folks here will buy one of these trucks. Maybe the Ford or the Ram. Which, do y'all like the Ford or the Ram better? Like the white, okay. So if I had you a Ram built in white, would you like it, or are you a Ford guy? I'm a Ford guy, okay. So we got one Ford guy here. So For those most people that watch our videos are Ford people too, so we're just showing them a difference between the Ram and the Ford.
Yeah, I've got a 14 out, and I was looking at the tires and all the weight on mine. I like my truck. It's a black one, Ford, 4-wheel.
There you go. Where are you from?
Monroe, Georgia.
Monroe, okay. So y'all, we you know, we're shooting a video right now, and we love talking to our customers. So he's actually here just checking out. He's seeing the comparisons and differences in the tires. So we appreciate you coming by and seeing us today.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, y'all. So we love our customers. Love our customers, y'all. We got an Akins liner in the back, guaranteed for life. Got tailgate assist as well. So that just looks so clean. We love doing all of our stuff in-house. It makes a huge difference from an efficiency standpoint and just quality control. We know what's going on with all of our vehicles. The tailgate assist functionality, show it again, just drops down nice and smooth. We love adding those to the trucks also. Power sliding glass. Ram's trying to step up with their third brake light. The border around that's blacked out, so it just looks a lot cleaner. So Ram's definitely doing a good job in trying to listen to the market and do things that we like to do from the aftermarket side. So that's really cool. Mild to wild scale, Jake, let's show them on that factory wheel. We're tucked in, nice and conservative. We're not sticking out hardly at all. Maybe just a tick, if anything, y'all. You got body color door handles on this package too, but our Covert package is essentially a level truck lifestyle, to where you can level it, a little bit bigger tire, and add some convenience features that make a difference in your everyday enjoyment of your vehicle. So let's get into the F150 now. So this truck is leveled on 35s. I love this look on the Ford, and we do have a little bit more fitment. Let's show them, Jake. So this is a 295 6520 Nitto trail grappler, so a little bit more aggressive tire, a true mud terrain tire, and it's actually a little bit bigger than a 35, y'all. It's a 35.12 tall, and zero issues as far as fitment. We didn't have to trim anything on this, so we can fit a little bit more tire in the Ford truck F-150 than we can the Ram. We just have a little bit more clearance to where we can accommodate a little bit bigger tire in here. So you got leveled on 34 action, leveled on 35 action, very similar attributes. Let's show them the level kit. We've got the 2-inch ready lift, same hockey puck style built aluminum spacer on top here on the top hat. And so both of them have great ride quality characteristics, a nice true level stance, 35, 34s, whatever your flavor is, we got you covered. We got wheel well liners, we got spray and bed liner. On the inside of this one, as I mentioned, you've got a similar contrast in side blackish gray and a lighter gray in this area here. You still can get the big 12-inch touchscreen on an XLT on the 21s. And you have the option of having a center console or a flip down seat from Ford as well on these package trucks. So a very nice interior on both trucks. Jake, what you like? Do you like the Ford interior better or the Ram?
The technology of Ford is pretty impressive. I'm just a Ford guy myself.
Gotcha. And I am too, y'all, but I grew up a Chevrolet guy. I was a Chevrolet tried and true guy. I've kind of come over to this side, but I appreciate and respect what Ram has done. I've actually owned a Ram also, but everything's great in the auto industry right now because all the manufacturers are trying to push the envelope and just all do things that add value to us, the consumers. Because at the end of the day, I'm a consumer just like you guys are. So I try to see what's the best route for me personally, me and my family, and I tend to lean towards this way, but I could take care of all of my needs with a Ram too. So it's just a personal preference thing. But we've got we got a couple of diamonds coming to you. I'm not gonna lie, we got a couple of diamonds coming to you on the Ram lineup. We've got a couple of Ram 1500s that we're doing 3.5-inch lift with 35s wheel and tire action coming to you next week. So stay tuned for that. If you're a Ram follower and watching this video and love the Rams, I need to know about it so we can do more Ram stuff. I can go to Brad Akins and say, hey Brad, we got to do more Ram stuff. I got customers everywhere wanting it. So if you're a Ram follower, let me know about it, please, because I'm all about doing more Ram builds. We know we're killing it with the Ford game, but I know there's a huge opportunity here too, y'all. So let me know what your thoughts are. Ram versus Ford, Covert action at Akins. Thanks so much.